After raising more than $80,000 with global sales during our first Kickstarter, we are back. Following more than 2 years of research as well as 10 prototyping phases, here is our best technical achievement so far. The new 30 liters hiker bag. We are extremely proud to have developed the ultimate multi-purpose bag. It will become your most precious playmate during your indoor and outdoor activities all year round. It's perfect for camping, travel, sporting activities, as well as a school or office bag. Its revolutionary design and modern look will perfectly match your style, whatever it is. Thanks to the quality of its materials and the originality of its components, the bag works great in a variety of settings. The ingenuity of its back opening will allow you to keep your organization flawless. Thanks to its suitcase type opening and multiple pockets, you can fit a surprising amount of clothing and accessories. During your hiking, you can add an ultra comfortable waist belt to keep the bag close to your body, and the breathable EVA foam backrest will allow excellent ventilation on your back. The particular shape of the straps will perfectly mold to your trapezoids and make it the most comfortable bag you will ever use for both men and women. If you don't agree, we'll offer you a no question refund. Our goal is to create products that will allow you to push the limits of your adventure, and that's just the beginning for Owly Packs. Owly Packs Beyond Adventure.
Hey everyone, Owly Packs is introducing their 30-liter hiker bag, and I'm super stoked to be able to introduce it to you today. This is Owly Packs' second design, and it's probably the last backpack you'll ever need because it's super versatile. It's really an everyday bag in the sense that you can use it for your office, your school, for traveling, for hikes. I mean, it's super multifunctional and great for everyday purposes. Everything about this bag has been thought of, and I mean everything. The main U-shaped opening immediately makes us think of a travel-style suitcase. As you can see, the opening allows you to fit enough clothes for multi-day traveling, and the X-shaped elastic really allows you to hold everything in one place. So on the two interior walls, you'll find 4 pockets in which you can distribute your items in a very organized way. So on the back of the main compartment, we have 2 separate pockets, one without and one with mesh. Obviously, the compartment with mesh would be to access items that you want to keep in sight. So another great thing about this bag is Owly Packs added a second pocket for additional storage, and this is really best suited for professionals, students, as we have the back pocket for the laptop, the compartments for pens, pencils, and any materials that would be needed. And on the other side of that compartment, we have 2 extra pockets specifically made for your beach shoes or sandals. As for the material of the bag, in addition to its modern and clean look, it's made of a superior quality waterproof polyester. And the bag's YKK zippers also prevent rainwater from seeping inside. So on the side of the bag, we have a great pocket made for wallets, passport, and in the front, we have 2 easy access pockets, great for travel documents. For those of you who wish, you can add a rain cover that's designed to be attached at the bottom of the bag. As you can see here, we have our Velcro that serves as an attachment. So on the other side of the bag, we have a pocket that's great for water bottles, and in the upper corner, we have an outlet that's made for hydration packs. Owly Packs also inserted 2 handles made of EVA foam, very similar to a memory foam, on the top and the side of the bag to be handled like a suitcase on the go whenever you're ready. The EVA foam shoulder straps have also been specifically designed to conform to your traps and provide unprecedented comfort. Their design also helps contour the breasts of women, and there's a small strap at the bust that slides and therefore allows a better overall adjustment. On the back of the backrest has 7 cushions to allow proper ventilation through your back. On the back of the bag, we have 2 zippers that form a tunnel, which allows us to slip it on the handle of any rolling suitcase. A removable waist belt system was also designed to be able to add or remove your belt in a matter of seconds. Finally, thanks to the carrying straps of the 50-liter bag, you can attach all kinds of outdoor accessories, both on the back and the sides of the bag. I don't know about you, but I'm convinced you'll see me using this 30-liter bag very soon. The adventure awaits.
bye.